Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video you are going to learn how to use select, move, rotate, scale tool in Maya. First of all, you need to select the select tool by click this icon, which is looks like mouse arrow icon. Now select tool is active. Click on this sphere. You can also select any of these by clicking its name on outliner, such as if we click on this cube will be selected. Now if you want to move it, click on this button, which shortcut is W. This is the move tool. On your viewport you can see there is 3 arrows appeared. The red is X axis, green is Y axis, and blue is Z axis. If you want to move it alongside X axis, hit the red arrow and drag it. Also you can move it alongside Y axis by hitting green arrow, and you can also move it alongside Z axis by hit this blue arrow. When you click on any of these, its color become yellow. Now what if we want to move this cube alongside X and Z axis, not in Y axis? In this case we need to select this green box and click it. On the channel box you can see we only moving it on X and Z axis, not in Y axis. Similarly, if we want to move it on Y and Z axis, not in X axis, then we need to click on this red box and move the box. Thus we are only moving it on Y and Z axis, not in X axis. I hope you can understand the use of move tool in Maya. Now if you want to rotate this cube, click on it and go to this rotate icon, whose shortcut is E. If you want to rotate it on X axis, you can click this red, hit Ctrl Z for undo. If you want to rotate in Z axis, this blue, click on this blue, Ctrl Z. And if you want to rotate this box alongside Y axis, click on this green. Also you can see there is a light blue circle around this cube. If we click and rotate, as you can see on channel box, we can rotate it X and Y and Z axis at the same time. Okay, now how can we scale it? To scale this cube, click on this icon, scale tool, whose shortcut is R. Now if you want to scale it on X axis only, then click this red arrow and drag on. And if you want to scale it on only Z axis, click this blue icon and the screen which is y axis. Okay, on this middle, if we click and drag it, we can scale it x, y and z axis at the same time. What if we want to scale it on x and z axis, not in y axis? In this case, we need to click on this green box and drag. Now we are only scaling it on x and z axis, not in y axis. Similarly, if you want to scale it on y and z axis, not in x axis, then you need to click on this red box and drag. Okay, I hope you can understand the use of select, move, rotate and scale tool. See you in the next video.